In today's fast-paced world, where time is precious and health is paramount, steaming has emerged as one of the best ways to cook. Not only does it preserve nutrients, but it also ensures that your food remains light, flavorful, and fresh. If you're searching for the perfect steamer to elevate your healthy cooking routine, this Cuisinart Cook Fresh Digital Glass Steamer is the appliance you've been waiting for. Cuisinart, a trusted name in kitchen appliances, has taken steaming to the next level with this digital glass steamer that combines power, efficiency, and ease of use. Whether you're preparing vegetables, seafood, rice, poultry, or even grains, this 5-liter glass cooking pot has the capacity and functionality to meet all your needs. Let's dive into why this steamer is a game changer for anyone looking to cook quickly and healthily. Key features. Number 1. Powerful steam system for even cooking. The heart of any steamer is its ability to produce steam efficiently and evenly. The Cuisinart Cook Fresh Digital Glass Steamer delivers steam from top to bottom, ensuring that your food is cooked thoroughly without the risk of overcooking or undercooking. The steam surrounds your food, cooking it evenly on all sides for a consistent, flavorful result every time. Number 2. 5-liter glass cooking pot. Perfect for family-sized portions. With a generous 5-liter capacity, this steamer allows you to cook large portions, making it ideal for family meals or meal prepping. Whether you're preparing a big batch of vegetables, rice, or steaming multiple servings of chicken, the Cuisinart Cook Fresh Steamer can handle it all. Number 3. Easy-to-use LCD control panel with multiple functions. The Cuisinart Cook Fresh Steamer features a user-friendly LCD control panel that makes it incredibly easy to navigate, with pre-programmed settings for a variety of foods, including seafood, poultry, grains, and vegetables. This steamer takes the guesswork out of cooking. Simply select your desired food type, press a button, and let the appliance work its magic. Number 4. Removable water tank for easy filling. One of the standout features of this steamer is its removable 1-liter water tank. Unlike traditional steamers that require you to refill the water tank mid-cook, this feature makes it easy to fill the tank without having to move the entire unit. You simply lift it off, refill it, and place it back. Number 5. Dishwasher-safe glass pot for easy cleanup. Cleaning up after cooking can be the worst part of the experience. Thankfully, the Cuisinart Cook Fresh Digital Glass Steamer makes cleanup a breeze. The 5-liter glass cooking pot is dishwasher safe, so you can quickly and easily clean it after use. Number 6. Glass lid with stainless steel rim. The Cuisinart Cook Fresh Steamer comes with a sturdy glass lid with a stainless steel rim, allowing you to easily monitor your food without losing heat. The transparency of the glass means you can check your progress without having to remove the lid, helping to lock in heat and flavor. This is especially helpful when you're steaming delicate foods like fish or vegetables that you want to keep tender and intact. Number 7. Versatile cooking options. While this steamer is designed for healthy cooking, it is extremely versatile. Use it to prepare everything from seafood, poultry, vegetables, to grains, and even rice. Whether you're making a complete meal or just steaming a side dish, this steamer has the settings to help you get the job done. It's an excellent tool for preparing nutritious meals in a fraction of the time that traditional methods would take. Number 8. Limited 3-year warranty for peace of mind. Cuisinart stands behind the quality of their products, and the Cook Fresh Digital Glass Steamer comes with a limited 3-year warranty. If you experience any issues or concerns with your unit, you can reach out to Cuisinart's customer support for assistance. This warranty ensures that you're making a sound investment in a high-quality product. Why the Cuisinart Cook Fresh Digital Glass Steamer is perfect for you. If you've been searching for a way to make healthy, delicious meals with ease, the Cuisinart Cook Fresh Digital Glass Steamer is a must-have in your kitchen. With its large capacity, powerful steam system, and user-friendly features, it's an excellent tool for busy families, health-conscious individuals, or anyone who wants to enjoy flavorful meals in a fraction of the time. From steaming vegetables to chicken, seafood, and even rice, this versatile steamer handles it all. Plus, it's incredibly easy to clean, making it a low-maintenance kitchen essential that you'll use for years to come. Don't wait any longer to elevate your cooking experience. Click the link below to get your hands on the Cuisinart Cook Fresh Digital Glass Steamer today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.